This is Aftab Ahmed. Today I'm going to show you how to create a color to any color in Photoshop. Create adjustment layer, hue saturation. Inside of hue saturation you will see a hand. Click on her dress and take away all the values on right side. Now you can change the range of selection colors range. Adjust little bit. When you see complete color selection, little bit adjustment color range. I think little bit need more adjustment. Try and adjust the range of colors. When you think this is perfect, I think this is good. I think this is good. Little bit more. Now change the values on 0. You will see a magic. You can now change any colors in pink, purple, blue, green, whatever you want. If you don't want to bright color, decrease the saturation values. Now you can change the colors, and I think this is good. If you want bright, increase the saturation values. If you want black and white color, decrease the saturation 0. Now you can check. Wonderful, perfect. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us a like. Please subscribe my channel. Any other feature tips and tricks.